You can find it out how much freon. There is called all containers will have this name tag on the left side. In that name tag, it will tell how much freon is inside, should be charged like 3.5 or 4.5, what is the model number, what is the year, everything. So like this unit should have 4.5 kg, but like 3.5 kg is there. So that time you just need to top up the freon. Always remember for topping up, always use the suction side to top up. So first one, we are just not topping up. So you will connect this to the freon bottle. Okay. So freon will come here. These two will be closed. So freon will come in here and it will distribute here and here. Now you want only to charge to the compressor, suction side. So suction side, you have to open only this one, this hose. So freon will come here and go there. But here if it is front seat, normal operation, the freon will not pass through because freon will stuck here also. So you have to put mid seat. Then in mid seat, it will go inside to the freon. While freon is running, you can charge this one. Understand? Like you can charge when freon is running, you can do all these things. You can charge. Or if starting, I propose you can switch it off, connect these things, then switch it on. Then once compressor starts, it will start sucking the freon. So this is only to top up. If you replace the compressor and freon is contaminated, then you have to charge the freon. And compressor will not run. You cannot run because there is no freon. And if you run the compressor, it will damage the wall plate because there is no freon. It will damage. So in that time, you have to charge from the liquid line, from here. This is called liquid line. So same way, you have to connect in bottle. There will be two sides. There will be two hoses. One is vapor. So when you are charged this side you charge vapor or gas. Vapor or always vapor. So you have to switch on vapor. And this side you have to charge only liquid. Liquid this side. This is high pressure side. This is low pressure side. So when you are charging to compressor, always charge vapor. So in bottle there will be two hoses. One open, it will be written vapor. Other will be written liquid. So when you are charging here, in the name itself there is a liquid line. So when there is no freon in the system, you have to first charge liquid line. You have to charge with liquid line. Same here. You have to just open this one. You have to open this, so it will start. But how you will know that how much freon we are putting in? How you will know? There is no. Yes, there will be a weighing scale in all the. You have to weigh first how much is the freon, and then you have to note it down. Okay, like freon bottle is 15 kg, and you start charging, and you have to see. You have to keep on the weighing scale, and you have to charge, and value will reduce like 15 to 14. Okay, 1 kg is inside. So like that you have to charge. Understood? And now you guys try with your hand how to connect and disconnect this one.